Welcome to Awesome Kid. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn about Pandas Series object and how to create series objects. Pandas Series is a one-dimensional index object that is mutable, iterable, and can hold elements of various types. Each series item is indexed by default. Elements assume a serial numerical index starting with 0. Index can be specified explicitly as well. For creating series object, a series object can be created using the Pandas series method. A series can be created by specifying explicit values or importing values from other collection or iterable object. So we are going to use Pandas series method. So this will be our series one. So it will be panda dot series and assign some values. And we can just print our series. And here is the output. These are those values we assign to our series. And this column over here are indexes. They are assigned as a default. We can change these indexes if we want. So let's try. If we create series 2 pd dot with some numbers. And now we are going to assign or specify the index values. We can do this. Index set to such as A, B, C. And we are just going to print. Series 2. And run our code. Need to fix this one. And now we can see instead of those default indexes, we get our own defined indexes A, B, C, D. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.